One thing I'll never be doing is building a pond. It's just going to be a breeding ground for mosquitoes. Water's going to be full of algae, and it's just going to be a dirty, mucky mess. It's going to look terrible. Not going to do it. So I'm out here, building a pond. It's about 20 degrees out. It's a really good thing I started digging this when it was nice and warm out, because right now the ground is completely frozen. But I think I'm where I want to be right now, depth-wise. I'm at a solid 3 foot to the deepest spot. This thing's about 6 foot wide, maybe 8 foot long. I probably won't have any fish in here or filters, so this is plenty big to do what I want it to accomplish in my garden. I already got one issue with my pond. It's going to cost me money. I got to get the underlayment and the liner for this thing. I was hoping, since I had so much clay around here, that it would retain some water, because a lot of these spots in this garden do retain water. But unfortunately, the tree roots had a different idea, and most of this soil is pretty deep and rich. There's not a lot of clay as far down as I dug here. Hit a lot putting the fence posts in, but not here. Got the old underlayment and the liner ready to go to set inside here. That's definitely a two-person job. Let's go get some rocks. We're getting somewhere with it. As far as the border rocks go, I think I'm done with that, because I'm looking for something a little more natural. And in nature, nothing is symmetrical. It would sure look really nice to surround this whole thing with rocks, but this area here is going to be kind of a beach area, and this deeper spot is going to be a hiding place. I'm going to have a lot of frogs in here, so I'm going to be adding some timber in here, so I save some of my smoother rocks to weigh down the timber for a place for the frogs to hide. But I think at this point, we're ready to cut around the edges, and when this ground thaws out, we're going to take some of this dirt from where I dug it out, and we're going to line the outside of rocks with it. And I'm also going to get some sand, and we're going to throw some sand in here. Look, the pond's filling up. Had some big rains come through, starting to fill up my pond pretty good. I got no intentions of using water from the hose, which is well water, to fill this up. I want all of this water to be rainwater. Here is some random timber I tossed in here, weighed down with these smoother rocks, sitting on more smooth rocks so we don't puncture this liner. I'll probably throw some more sticks in here, some more timber along the edges. Springtime comes, I'll be planting some ornamental grasses, some tall ones here, adding some bird houses and stuff. There's probably some of you that are grossed out by my pond, because it's not beautiful. But I didn't build this pond to be beautiful. It's not a landscaping feature. It's part of my permaculture garden to try to bring all the wildlife together and establish an ecosystem with a good predator to prey balance. One of the concerns people have is mosquitoes. Here in Michigan, besides last year we had the drought, you can't even walk outside because the mosquitoes are so bad. So I'm not worried about a couple of extra mosquitoes coming out of this. I'm hoping that other insects, creatures that eat the mosquitoes are going to take care of that. And I'm hoping we work from the bottom up as far as the food chain goes. And some of these other predators are going to come in here to eat the mosquitoes, and anything else that wants to live in here are going to also eat some of my other garden pests. And that's a good thing. Another big benefit to this is going to be the rainwater. Like I said, I am not filling this up with water from the hose. I'm going to let the rain fill it up naturally. Based on the calculations with the dimensions of this pond, I should get close to 400 gallons of water in here. Now, if you're setting up 55-gallon drums with your rainwater collection system, that's Not even close to what you can get with this. And plus, with this dirty pond situation I'm going to get with the rainwater sitting in here, you're going to get various bacterias, other microorganisms that go inside here. So it's going to be good water for a garden. Make sure you guys subscribe, because I promise you in the next several months, this pond's going to look a lot different. And I'd like to show you some of the cool native frogs that I call my permaculture garden home. Thanks for watching.